It's bloody windy! I thought I'd just do a quick video showing people what the Trailstar is like in windy conditions. So, as you can see, it's thrashing around quite a lot at the moment. I'm pitched at 3 tarns, which is a col in the Lake District between Crinkle Crags and Bowfell. Now I've tried to find a sheltered spot, but there's not really much shelter here, so I've just had to make the best of it. However, the Trailstar is coping with the conditions. Now, how I've made it as stormproof as possible is I've pitched it low, so I've set my trekking poles at 110 centimetres. The door, as you can see, is really low. It means there's not as much living space inside because the sides are a lot more shallow to deflect the wind, and even with that they're still deflecting, deforming rather, but it does cut into the wind a lot better, and I am pretty confident that the shelter will survive until dawn. I've also made use of all the pegging points, so you might be able to just about see one of the mid-panel tie-outs there. I've pegged all the pegging points down. I'm using 9-inch Eastern nail skewers for the main pegging points, and I'm using MSR groundhogs for the mid-panel tie-outs. So yeah, that's the Trailstar in windy conditions.